So you may have seen my tutorial on the dragon head. Well, I went out and designed another one. This one I call the dragon head version 2. It has the same cool tassels on the back, but the head is completely overhauled with a new design with tons of spikes and lots of cool designs. And here's how to fold it. Alright, so for this one, I'm going to use about 5-inch paper. This one I use 10-inch paper, so this one will turn out a little smaller. So here's basically what we're going to do. We're going to make 4 bird bases on either side. The bottom ones will be the flaps on the outside, and then here we'll do something a little more intricate for the head. Okay, so first, we're going to turn over, that fold in half, vertically, unfold, and do the same thing. Now, take this edge and fold it to this crease. That wasn't me. And then take this edge and fold it to this crease. The paper's really squeaky right now. Okay, now unfold this and open it and squash on the existing creases. So like that. And fold it back in and do the same here. Open and squash. Or actually, just reverse fold. It's the same thing. Alright. There we go. Now I have a water bomb base. And these 4 flaps are going to be turned into bird bases. So, take this point and touch it to this point. And then make a crease right here. Now, you want to swivel the fold so it stays on this point, but this crease lines up with this crease. Like that. Getting a little tricky. And then valley fold on this existing crease. Take this edge and fold it to this crease. Okay, now let's turn around to make it easier for ourselves. Unfold this and take this edge and fold it to this edge. Not all the way, just to this point where the crease is. And unfold and fold this back. Now we're going to make sort of a half petal fold. So we're going to take this point and put it up to this point. There will be some extra paper trying to come out, but we're going to flatten that like this. Like that. So it's pretty much doing a half petal base. And then here, behind here, we'll do the same thing. So fold on this point, fold it up, and squash down. And fold these 2 flaps back down, and rotate and repeat. So take this point, fold to this point. And swivel it, I'll go a little bit faster. Then fold on the existing crease and take this edge, fold it to this edge. Now turn around to make life easier and make the petal fold. So push this over here and squash down like that. That one was a little harder. And then do the same here. And now fold the flap down. Alright, now we're going to repeat on these sides. Alright, now we have this. Okay, so now this is kind of the sad part because you have to undo some of your work, so you have to pull this apart. So sad. And then let's open this. We're pretty much remaking the creases, so we're not totally taking it away. And squash down, only on the creases that we've made. There we go. And now, make a mountain fold on this crease and this crease. And it should flatten down naturally and make these creases on either side. Now, open the pocket yet again and squash down. Now, petal fold this flap up. And fold the flap back down. Now, turn 2 layers, and let's do the same over here. So, open the pocket, squash on the crease. This one looks nicer. Mountain fold on the 2 mountain folds. Open the pocket again, and squash, and I guess just reverse fold these creases, don't petal fold them. And now fold 2 flaps back to the front. Okay, now turn over and basically just do the same thing. Alright, so we've gotten through that. Now, we're going to add the detail to the head. So first, we have to find the head flap. So, fold 2 flaps over this way. Hold on, I'm just going to fix the top because it looks kind of not good right now. There we go. And now, 2 flaps to the left this way. Oh, no, sorry. 2 flaps to the right. 1, 2. There we go. Yeah, that's right. And now, we're gonna unfold these reverse folds. Now, take this edge and fold it to this crease. Rotate it if that helps. And do the same with this side. Now, unfold both of them. And you want to open this pocket and squash on the creases we just made. And flatten it. Now same with this side. Open the pocket and squash and fold back. Now go back to the left flap and then we'll open this up and we're going to do sort of a petal fold. So we're going to remake this fold, but then we'll make a new fold that goes from this point to that point. And the same here. Now turn 2 flaps over again, yeah, and then do the same here. So open petal fold from this point to this point. And same here from this point to this point. And do we keep this flap folded up? Yeah, we do. And then turn back the page to here. Yeah. Okay, now fold this flap up. I'm starting to forget it. And oh yeah, turn over and valley fold this flap here. Okay, now this is where the model starts coming together. So go here and fold the whole model in half. Okay, now we can start seeing our stuff. Oh yeah, oops. Fold this out. So this will be the horn, these will be the eyes, this will be the mouth, and these will be all the cool tassels on the back. So this part may be fun for you, maybe not, I don't know. But it's shaping now, so let's pull this out and maybe make it so that it lines up with this crease. So that's the mouth. And now for this, open it up a little, unfold this a little bit, and take this edge and fold it to this crease. Only to the middle. Unfold and take this edge and fold it to this crease. And make both of them to make a rabbit ear. And we won't flatten it because we can refold it in half and we have our point sticking out. And now what we can do is we can make like a little crook in his beak. So let's reverse fold that down. And we've got a little crook in his beak. Easy as that. Now let's take this little flap and pinch it to make it smaller. And you can curl it whatever way you want. You can curl it up if you want. That looks pretty good. Now turn over to this side and curl it as well. So pinch and curl. Okay, now let's do these flaps, the big ones. So let's pinch it in half again. And let's curl it up. You can curl it every way you want. This is the fun part about shaping. You can customize it. Now, other side. Let's pinch. And curl. Up. Okay, now we have our lovely points. And let's take the second one. Let's actually reverse fold it down a little bit. Same with this side. Let's take it and reverse fold it down a little bit. And pinch. And curl. And pinch. Come on. And curl. And now take the middle flaps and curl them down or up, whatever you want. And take this one and curl it down as well. Now we can fold this front flap back to make more distinct eyes. And let's push this in, the top in. This is a little hard, but it makes like this, it gives it this cool look to it. And then same with here, we can open it and kind of shape it if it allows me to. Yeah. And then we can push this, tuck this in and reshape it because it lost the shaping. Okay, that's pretty much it. So that's your dragon. I hope you had as much fun folding it as I did, and see you guys in the next video. Bye.